Hi Pisces, this is Pisces Hub. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, gagawa tayo ng reading for Pisces gamit ang tarot card natin. Okay, so alamin natin kung ano yung mga posibleng mangyari for Pisces sa araw na ito. Okay, reminder lang po na ito ay general reading Pisces. So pwede pong mag-resonate, pwede pong hindi. Okay, and this is a timeless reading. So, kahit anong araw, buwan, taon mo to napanood. Basta mag-resonate, tugma sa sitwasyon mo, take lang. Pag hindi, huwag kang ipilit, okay? And welcome po ang lahat ng gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT, ay pwede po sa feminine or masculine. Kung kanino magtugma, yun, take nyo lang, okay? Pag hindi, of course, huwag pong ipilit, okay? So, ano po yung mga posibleng mangyari for Pisces sa araw na napanood niya to? Oh, 10 of Wands. Is this you, Pisces? Okay. Or you're dealing with someone na ganito. You feel, or this person feels so stressed, or pwede ikaw, Pisces, parang mayroon kang mga dala-dala. Okay? Pwede responsibilities sa buhay, sa pag-ibig, sa trabaho, okay? Nakikita nyo yan mismo. Ayan, no, kitang-kita nyo, Pisces. Nabibigatan siya sa mga dinadala niya, okay? So, ano po? Ano pa po yung message niya po? Yeah, yun nga. Ikaw ba to, Pisces? Ito ba yung nararamdaman mo ngayon? Or you're dealing with someone na ganito? Okay, pwede itong nararamdaman mo, itong dalang-dala, ano ba, dala-dala mo dito is, pwedeng meron itong connection sa emotion. So, pwede po sa love, pwede sa, alam mo yun, inner wounds, family, friends, workmates, na kumbaga, naaapektuhan yung emotion mo, naaapektuhan yung, alam mo yun, yung mental health mo, Pisces, posible din, okay? Or you're dealing with someone na ganito, okay? You're dealing with someone na obviously hindi masaya. Obviously, he or she felt stress or sad. Or pwedeng ikaw to. Okay? So, ano pa po? Bakit ganito? Ang bigat naman. Okay, so pwedeng you're dealing with someone na from your past. So, as I said kanina, Pisces, pwedeng you're dealing with someone na ganito yung nararamdaman. Okay? Or something na parang this person is someone from your past na nalulungkot ka because of this person, nai-stress ka because of this person, or your person, this person na you're dealing with from your past is something like nai-stress or obviously hindi masaya. And maybe there's a big possibility na itong taong to will try to communicate, will try to contact you again. Kasi meron tayo ditong 6 of Cups. From 5 of Cups, Pisces, napunta sa 6 of Cups, okay? So, there's a big possibility na this person will try to contact you, or ikaw, Pisces, you will try to regain this person, you will try to connect with this person, okay? So, ano pa po yung message niyo po for Pisces? Pwede ito ay merong connection sa family or something like long-term commitment. So, by this time, there's something na naririnig ko yung word na second chance. And this person will do better. Okay? Kumbaga, narinig ko yung phrase na aayusin ko na. Okay? I don't know kung kanino, sino magsasabi yun, pero merong magsasabi na aayusin ko na. Okay, so pwede ito merong connection sa family kasi meron tayo ditong family members, okay? Or kung hindi naman, someone na merong long-term commitment, okay? Or pwedeng, alam mo yun, parang gusto na niyang ng mas solid, kumbaga aayusin niya yung connection yung dalawa. Okay, this person obviously don't feel so good. And it's either this person misses you, regrets, kasi ito yung, and nai-stress siya. So, this person will try to come back. And, yun nga yung, ko, parang may sasabihin siya na aayusin ko na. Pwede pong ganun, okay? Or pwedeng ikaw, pwede pong vice versa, Pisces, ikaw yung gagawa nito. Pwede din na ito ay some somewhat na possible sa trabaho, kasi posible din na ito ay company, okay? So, you will try to go back to your, kumbaga, trabaho mo dati kasi posibleng hindi ka masaya sa nilipatan mo. Okay? Or you will try to communicate other people na kasamahan mo dati para makakuha ng panibagong trabaho na mas maganda, mas stable yung financial. Posible din pong ganun. Okay? So, ano pa? Ano pa po yung message niyo po for Pisces? The Hangman. You feel stuck or something like, or this person feels so stuck. Yung parang walang movement, walang update, walang action, walang nangyayari, okay? Parang stagnant. Kumbaga nakatigil lang. Alam mo yun, parang walang movement. So, pwedeng yun yung parang nagiging reason kung bakit ganito yung nararamdaman mo or ganito yung nararamdaman ng taong dinidil mo, Pisces, or ng trabaho mo or something like sa family na parang walang improvement, walang nangyayari, walang update, walang, alam mo yun, yung parang kung ano yung nangyayari dito, yun lang yun, okay? And obviously, hindi yun masayang sitwasyon, Pisces. So, it's either this person is from your past na he will try or she will try to come back to say or to do things better now, okay? Kumbaga, babawi siya and this person wants a longer term with you, okay? But you feel stuck to this person or this person feels so stuck to you. Okay, kasi merong hindi makagalaw, hindi makausad, okay? Pwedeng hindi pa 'to nakaka-move on itong taong 'to or pwedeng ikaw hindi ka pa nakaka-move on sa kanya, posible din pong gano'n, okay? Kung sa trabaho man 'to, yun nga, parang you will try to have another option. Maybe manghihingi ka ng advice or tulong sa taong, alam mo yun, connection mo dati. Kasi feel mo parang walang nangyayari, walang, alam mo yun, yung parang hindi fulfilling. Okay, so ano pa? Ano pa po yung message niyo po for Pisces sa araw na napanood niyo to? Ayun, so there's a Ace of Wands and the Emperor. So, pwedeng you're dealing with the masculine energy or pwedeng ikaw ay masculine. Pwedeng ito ay boss, Pisces. Kasi meron tayo ditong the Emperor card, okay? This is a masculine energy na posibleng mataas yung antas sa trabaho. And pwedeng ito yung tutulong sa'yo to have another opportunity. Okay, kumbaga matatanggal to, mawawala tong ganito kasi meron siyang ibibigay na kumbaga mas maraming abundance, financial great upgrade, okay? So, there's something na maganda na posibleng i-offer sa'yo, okay? Pwede ding ikaw to, Pisces, kasi nakaganon, nakapunta ito kay the Emperor or this person is waiting for you to connect with them, okay? Kasi hindi pa nakaka-move on or pwedeng ikaw, hindi ka pa nakaka-move on and you're waiting for this person to communicate with you and you don't feel so good, okay? Or pwede pong vice versa, ganon, okay? Take nyo lang kung saan mag-resonate. Pero ito kasi is something like offer or passionate feeling, action, alam mo yun, yung parang mararamdaman mo yung passion ng taong towards you. Okay, and this person have a stable life, stable financial, but hindi stable yung emotion or mental. Okay, so this person wants to give something or communicate with you, or ikaw yung magbibigay sa taong to, or this person is just waiting for you to communicate with them. Kasi pwedeng nag-first move na siya and hinihintay na lang niya na ikaw na din. Kasi parang walang masyadong ganap because of the Hangman right here. Okay, so ano pa? Ayan o. Si Queen of Cups, Pisces, siya mismo yung nagbibigay kay the Emperor. Okay, so pwedeng ikaw to, na pwedeng naghihintay ka lang na naghihintay itong taong to na makipag-communicate sa'yo. makipag-communicate ka sa kanya. Okay? Kasi this person feels so stuck, hindi siya maka-move on, ganito yung nararamdaman niya, and nakauna na siya, naunahan kanyang i-communicate kasi itong malaking bata na nandito. Ito yung someone from past and makikipag-communicate siya dito sa maliit na bata. And ito yung i-offer niya sa'yo. Kaso walang movement, walang pangyayari. Pwedeng hindi mo sinasagot itong taong to. And this person is waiting for your response, is waiting for your action, Pisces, na kumbaga titingnan niya kung interesado ka pa ba. And pwedeng it's either siya or ikaw yung magsasabing aayusin ko na. Okay? Or kung sa trabaho man to, yun nga, there is some Queen of Cups na kumbaga, there's something na proposal or hiring or kumbaga magre-reach out towards this the Emperor. Nakikita niyo yan, Pisces, so yung hand placement mismo. Queen of Cups nang galing sa ang Ace of Wands from Queen of Cups papunta kay the Emperor. So, take nyo lang kung saan ka dito banda. Kahit masculine tas feminine yun nandito. Pwede po siyang vice versa po. Kanino po yan mag-resonate. Okay? Wala po tayong gender specific. Okay? So, there's a lot of planning. There's a lot of parang waiting. Okay? Parang, although maraming gustong mangyari, maraming mga bagay na nauna na siya, pero walang masyadong movement kasi walang response, alam mo yun, yung parang, it's either siya yung unang nakipag-communicate, sinabi ko kanina, tas hindi mo muna nireplyan, kaya walang masyadong action. So, this person is waiting for your response, Pisces, or you're waiting for this person's response, okay? So, there's something na waiting, observing, and at the same time, wanting to reconnect again, okay? Or to have another ayan ayan Pisces, nakikita nyo yan, celebration, happiness, abundance, lahat ng kasiyahan na nandito. So, yun nga, parang after, kung hinihintay ka ng taong tong i-communicate mo siya, ganito yung magiging outcome nyo, Pisces. Okay, magiging masaya kayo. Ayan hala, nakikita nyo yan, Pisces, ayan yung damit na nandito, ito naman is nandito. So, this person, you, will be so happy. So, it's either siya yung nakipag-communicate sa'yo and hinihintay na lang niya yung response mo and this will be the outcome, Pisces. Okay, or pwedeng ikaw yung naghihintay and you're waiting for this person na i-communicate ka ulit. And ganito yung magiging outcome, Pisces. Pero as of now, ito yung nararamdaman nyo. So, posibleng merong isa sa inyo yung nag-reach out na pero walang response to other side. So, you're waiting or this person is still waiting. And ito yung kalalabasan sa kung ano man tong nangyayari dito lahat. Okay? So, okay naman. So, nasa sa inyo pa rin, Pisces, kung ano yung magiging, kumbaga, decision nyo at the end of the day. Nasa sa inyo pa rin po yun. Okay? Bottom of the deck is 3 of Wands. Yun nga, hindi makausad, Pisces, hindi maka-move on, ayan nakatingin siya sa malayo. Ayan, nakikita niya yan, Pisces. Same yung damit ng the Emperor and the 3 of Wands na nandito. So, this person is so looking forward for you to be like this together with him, together with her. So, naghihintay lang siya ng this person na naririnig ko yung patiently waiting. Ayun. Yun yung ita-title ko dito, Pisces, okay? Patiently waiting. So, pwede pong ikaw yung ganito or pwede yung dealing with someone na ganito na hindi mo nire-replyan, hindi mo tinetext, hindi mo pinapansin. Okay? So, yeah, there's a big reason for sure kung bakit ganito yung una or ganito yung nararamdaman as of this moment. Okay, pero kung ano man yun, merong maganda na outcome na naghihintay. Pero at the end of the day, Pisces, ikaw pa rin po ang magdidesisyon kung ano yung gusto mo. Okay, so kuha tayo ng mga initials, random words, kung sino or ano po yung mga konektado for Pisces sa araw na ito. Meron tayo ditong kulot, long hair, connection, negosyo, barko, older, moreno-morena, dark hair, tahimik, maliit ang ilong, mapagbigay, car, coffee, and letter H. So, posibleng nandito, posible din pong wala. It's okay lang kung wala dito, okay? So, yun po ang ating reading for Pisces sa araw na ito. Naway nagustuhan niyo po. Huwag niyo po sanang kalimutan na mag-like at mag-subscribe po sa ating channel. And click the bell button, Pisces, para ma-notify po kayo sa next videos na i-upload natin, okay? So, thank you, Pisces, and God bless!